Hey everyone, just a really quick video to announce something really exciting for me and hopefully for you. I put a poll out a few days ago on the community page of my YouTube channel and I got 424 votes. So thank you all who voted, but basically it was just saying that I want to try to find a way to connect a little bit better with all of you. The channel's really growing. I know we have a lot of new people, as well as a lot of old loyal viewers. And so I just wanted to find a way to kind of bring us all together and be able to kind of socialize a little bit. So the vote was, what day and time would be best for you to attend a live stream? Overwhelming majority would be Saturday at 10 a.m. coming in with 47% of the vote. So next Saturday, what's the date next Saturday? I'll put it on the screen. Next Saturday is going to be our live stream. It's not going to be a weekly live stream yet. I'm not going to commit to that, but we'll see how this one goes. I am very excited about it. And we're going to, I think what I'm going to do is take a lot of the most common questions that I get in comments, answer those, and do a live Q&A. If you guys have questions, you can ask me right there. So it's 10 a.m. Saturday, this date, Pacific time. I'm going to put a link down below to a website where you can put in your time zone and put in basically any city in California. So Los Angeles, San Diego, Hollywood, whatever you can think of. And it's going to give you that time zone. So yeah, do that. And I will look forward to talking with you all on Saturday, 10 a.m. Pacific time. And I will see you tomorrow on Self-Sufficient Sunday. And it's going to be our first installment of raising backyard chickens. So it's going to be a really good one. I'm actually in the middle of filming it right now. So I will see you then.